Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can have follow-up encounters while maintaining the same formatting for your notes. So let's just create a test patient and let's just create a very basic SOAP note. I'm going to upload here an audio and then just as context, this audio is a very basic recurrent back pain visit that we downloaded from YouTube used for educational purposes, and we're just going to say generate a SOAP note from the provided transcript. And then, of course, you guys will already have your prompts or new templates here, but here this is just for demonstration. And now we're going to create a new prompt that is just going to be to update, the following up encounter. And as you see here, we're just generating the initial note. Let's imagine this was for the first encounter, and we're going to create this new prompt. Carefully analyze the provided transcript and use it to update the previously appended notes. Focus on updating only the abnormal findings while ensuring that the original note formatting, headers, and structure remain unchanged. Important, maintain the exact formatting and headers from the original note as you incorporate the new findings from the transcript. So this is the prompt we're going to use for the follow-up, and then follow-up prompt. Obviously, you can name the title whatever you want. And now let's actually do this, right? So here, let's delete this audio. Let's imagine it's a different day. You enter into the same patient, and here you're gonna ensure this is added as context because now we're gonna use this note, right? So what we're gonna do is the patient today presents a new allergy to peanuts. And now obviously this is oversimplified, but just to show you the before and after. And now just gonna click here, follow up prompt, and now it's gonna use this, and then here it's gonna add allergies. You see newly reported allergy to peanuts, and that is the workflow. Now something really important, if you add many notes here as context, it's gonna be really hard then for the AI. You have to just be mindful on the complexity, right? Here obviously I just made a very oversimplified flow, but hopefully this was helpful. And please let us know if there's something not working. Let us know to work on this. Okay, thank you so much.